15 minus 5 gives us 10. And again, 15 minus 5 gives us 10. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS or BODMAS, as most of you recognize, so I'm going to write the rules, the PEMDAS and the BOMDAS here. So here I am writing the PEMDAS, and it's going to be similar with BODMAS, right? So here are the rules. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. I am going to go back into BODMAS as well. Just I'm going to explain the PEMDAS. So here the rule, the order of operation, the mathematical rule behind every expression tells us to solve parentheses first, right? So this group is parentheses or brackets are the first thing to solve. And the second thing to solve are exponent, right? Exponents are numbers written on top of base number. And the third thing to solve is multiplication and division. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority, meaning if we encounter them in one long expression, we have to do the expression left to right. Same with addition and subtraction. They are for the priority. So parenthesis is the first priority, exponent is the second, multiplication and division is the third, and the fourth is addition and subtraction. So it's going to be similar thing with BODMAS, right? B stands for bracket. Here the naming of the arithmetic is changed, but not the meaning, right? So B stands for bracket, and it is the first thing to solve. O stands for exponent, and it is the second thing to solve. Some people may call the O for a different word, but wording doesn't matter as long as it has the same meaning, right? So D stands for division, M stands for multiplication. Like I said, D and M, division and multiplication, or you can reverse the wording, they have similar priority. They are on the third priority, and addition and subtraction as well as have the same priority for the priority. So with all of this in mind, with all of this detailed explanation of the rule of mathematics, let's go back into our problem to solve this problem. So we have parentheses, subtraction, and multiplication, right? So some people may not recognize this, and if in case you don't know about it, if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So we don't have to write the multiplication, but we know in common sense there is a multiplication, and 5 is going to be multiplied by the difference of 15 and 5, right? So let's do the problem in order. The first thing to solve is parentheses, meaning we have to solve 15 minus 5 first. So 15 minus 5 gives us 10. And now the problem becomes 15 minus 5, and we are going to multiply 5 by the difference of 5 and 15 and 5, right? The parentheses. We done the parentheses, we can get rid of the brackets, the groups that you can see here. So the problem becomes 15 minus 5 times 10. So according to the rule, we did the parentheses first, and then now we have a multiplication and subtraction. So which one should we do first? Well, the multiplication has a greater priority than subtraction, right? So we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction. Therefore 5 times 10 is going to be the next arithmetic to do. So 5 times 10 is equal to 50, and 15 minus 50 is equal to negative 35. So the final answer to this question is negative 35.